Amelia. This is Drew. He's my 5-month-old. And today we're preparing Thanksgiving dinner and tonight's dinner. We had an introduction that was really nice and really corporate America, and my friends told me that it was lame. So this is us. I'm gonna go back and put this at the beginning of the video. Today's video, we're gonna be preparing black eyed peas, deviled eggs, tonight's dinner, which is chicken sliders, and Lord, I don't even know what we just cooking some stuff. He just showing out. He's supposed to be sitting in this chair so I can cook, but watch and see how long he stay in this chair. So we're gonna do deviled eggs for both sides of the family because that's easy. Are you okay? Hurt, but Drew started choking because he has reflux a little bit, and sometimes he chokes. So I'm gonna have to cook with him in my arms. So, oh shit. So I'm done with my dishes. I use Done. Nothing spectacular about it, but I use Baby Organics for Drew's stuff because his stuff for some reason have a lot of oil on it. Hell, I don't know. Maybe it come from like my breast because of breast pump and stuff. So maybe my breast be oily. I don't know. But anyway, Baby Organics get off the oily breast residue. That's a good thing. I mean, if y'all don't have oily breast residue, I mean, you may have some other do, and they'll get that off, I'm telling you. And I ain't getting sponsored by them, so this is good. Get crunk, Drew, get crunk. Get crunk, Drew, get crunk. Uh-oh. And yeah, we gotta wash dishes. And what else? Tends to keep its consistency, and it don't wither up like lettuce and stuff, or cook like spinach. Just, you know, rinse it real good before you put it at the bottom of your deviled egg tray. Oh, but I did him eat carrots because it's cold on his gum and it helps with teeth. And the only thing is, you just kind of have to watch him with it, but it helps with his teeth. And don't drop it. Although I look very comfortable breastfeeding, it has not always been this way. I am going to go into depth about everything you ever wanted to know about breastfeeding and the things that other blogs may not tell you or the doctors may not disclose to you to discourage you from breastfeeding. I'm going to give you the nitty gritty. Maybe I should say the nipple gritty. Can we finish cooking now? Huh? I'm never going to finish cooking. Okay, so Dad is home, so I'm able to have 2 hands again. 2 hands. Black eyed peas soaking, meat cooking, about to put Drew in the bed. That's my baby bedtime dance. All right. I think that's going to be all for today because I did a lot for the first vlog. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Or don't do shit. That's fine.